Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover and lift the cover off of the tower. Identify and unlatch the memory module. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it back to the system. Secure the side cover of the tower with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.